Installing 1-inch spacers is a simple process, almost as easy as rotating your tires. All you need are a few basic tools and a way to fit your Jeep Grand Cherokee. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fit 1-inch spacers on your Jeep Grand Cherokee correctly and safely. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub. Look at the wheel hub assembly footrest. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS FP cooling 1-inch spacers. Then install the metal lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Jeep Grand Cherokee 1-inch spacers is the FP cooling feature. These 1-inch spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS 1-inch spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision 1-inch spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to a specific torque. Always tighten that in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nut will lock. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. BONOSS recommends checking the use of wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.